If these walls could talk, I bet they say it's all my fault, that I don't try hard, that I ain't man enough, that I ain't standing up, that I just burn everything that my hands touch. If these walls could talk, I bet they say I'm to blame, that I'm the one who put myself inside of all of these chains, that my addicted personality's what ran them away, and that I hurt myself by staying quiet and not explain.